Today we're going to paint a Molotov cocktail. Alright, the question of the day is, what was the first use of the Molotov cocktail? Alright, let's run through the colors. Mars Black, Titanium White, Quinn Red, Pearly Red, Van Dyke Brown, Burnt Sienna, Phthalo Green, Quinn Blue, Phthalo Blue, Primer Yellow. Alright, today we're going to do a painting of Molotov Cocktail. We got the first layer on. We got a kind of a mauve pink, you know, kind of dulled down. We got a black and gray straw. We got the kind of silver and red laid in for the cap. It looks pretty good. I lined up this time the liquid with the horizon, which I think he looks even cooler. So we'll see if I redo the first one. I'll probably just leave it. We got a purple forming. It is a little light. It's with that Quinn blue, so it's going to bleed a lot. So we need to do a couple layers there. Got the yellow. The lettering, we got a little bit of marking. We got a little bit of marking in the background for the purple to kind of show that that's see-through glass. And yeah, we'll let this dry and then go to the next layer. Now, the first users of the Molotov cocktail were in Spain, actually. During the Spanish Civil War, they had the Republicans, which were the national government, got aid from the Soviets, so they brought in these tanks. And so Franco's forces, what they did is they got these jars and filled with petrol, and then either a blanket or some kind of cloth on the outside, and they would soak that as well. Light it, and you could only use it really close quarters with tanks, so you had to really be very close to the tanks to even use it. So that kind of limited how well you could use it. But if you threw it at the right angle, right below the tank tracks, there's rubber wheels that are gaskets connected to the tank wheels, and those would burn and melt and cause the tanks to just be stuck right where they're at. So that's the whole purpose of, or the first use of the Molotov cocktail in the Spanish Civil War from 1936 to 1939. All right, we just got sunburn. Instant sunburn. All right, let's check out the final painting. All right, we got this kind of nice rose color in the background, the nice yellow liquid, and obviously that dark purple with a little bit of the lettering, but not quite so much. I think this one I did the best on the water version at the top. It looks and reads like water in a bottle, which is what I wanted. I kind of toned down the ball. The reason why is it kind of looks like a jar of preserves or jam or something, and I really didn't want that. I wanted to feel like, I don't know what's in that bottle. Why is there liquid in there? So it gives it a little bit more mystery, and then you might figure out, maybe it's something else besides preservative with a weird straw, right? So that's what I wanted to do with that type of painting. I like it. Hopefully you guys like it. If you'd like to see the full version, check my Patreon account. And if you'd like to subscribe, you can subscribe below. And I'll see you in the next painting video. Thanks for watching, guys.